You can see the second point is there. The second point, prospecting. The prospecting is the next step to personal prospecting. Okay, concerned with the identification of the potential customers. Identification of the potential customers. And the potential customers are those who have the purchasing power and are willing to pay. In this step, salesperson makes a first prospective customers and identify their needs and tastes and preferences. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఏం చెప్తుంది అంటే అమ్మా, ద ప్రాస్పెక్టింగ్ అనమాట. అంటే ప్రాస్పెక్టింగ్ అంటే ఏమి అంటే, ఎప్పుడైతే మనం కరెక్ట్ గా వస్తువులని కొనుగోలు చేసే వ్యక్తి ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో ఆ కొనుగోలు చేసిన వ్యక్తులు అంటే పొటెన్షియల్ కస్టమర్స్ అంటారు అనమాట. అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తువులను కొనుగోలు చేసే వ్యక్తులు, అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా కొనుగోలు చేసే వ్యక్తులను ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి వాళ్ళకి వస్తువులని డైరెక్ట్ గా అమ్మడం జరుగుతుంది. దాన్ని ప్రాస్పెక్టింగ్ అని అంటారు. ద థర్డ్ పాయింట్, అండ్ ద థర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ దేర్ pre-approach. Pre-approach. The pre-approach, this is the third step. You can pre-approach. Pre-approach is the third point. The pre-approach means the next step is process is a pre-approach. In this step, the personal collect the information regarding the prospectus like dislikes, economic status, etc. This information can be useful for preparing the salesperson to prepare a plan for their visits and the presentations to the prospect. Necessary for new customers, but for old customers as pre-approach means munduga personal collect the information regarding the prospectus like dislikes, the economic status, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకొని ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ బట్టి వస్తువులని కొత్త కస్టమర్లు ఎవరు, పాత కస్టమర్లు ఎవరు అనే వాళ్ళని బట్టి వస్తువులను అమ్మడం అనమాట. అది థర్డ్ స్టెప్. ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ దాట్ approach to the customers. Approach to customers. When the salesperson meet the prospectors face to face is called approaching to the customer. This is the fourth point, is that approaching customers. Approaching with the prospectors face to face is called without difficulty to proceed, but the customer to make a purchase makes it hard. Prospect in the process of sales strategy finish person meets the customer personally. That is the fourth point. The next point, sales presentation and sales presentation require their requirements. Okay, this is the fifth point. The point is there and is there handling customer objections. In objections or queries and doubts of the customers, put the product or sometimes say misinterpret the objections to be refuel, often ask additional information. Closing the sales. At this stage, actual sale is released is the outcome of all the efforts into preparation, prospecting, approaching, and it aims making purchase. Generally, the sales meeting are arranged and everything goes as per the plan, because the sale is released. However, at times it may not be easy. In this step, once the prospectus seen the interest, various methods used to approach them for the sales call. This is the closing of the, and the eighth point is that Post sales follow up. Post sales follow up. Post sales follow up. Most of the sales personnel believe that only the important thing in the complete selling process is close itself, which is not true. The job of a salesperson does not and it closing the sales, but he is responsibility to ensure that products are delivered to the customers as the specification. These are all the main important process of once we have again we have to discuss about the personal selling process. In that one, the pre-sale preparation and approach it to customers, and the sales presentation and demonstration, customer objectives, closing the sales, post sales follow up. Post sales, all the main important planning. In that one, the personal pre-sale preparation. Pre-sale preparation means when the salesperson going to sold the product into the market directly to the customers. So have to think knowledge about the customer and about the knowledge of customer, about the wants of the customer, needs of the customer, situations, the product information. These are all must be acquired the market to go products to direct. That is the first process. Prospecting. The prospecting, it is a second step is there. This step very important. Which person are to be interested the product, that person, that